Ready? Okay, I just want to show you how simple way you can put it on the oil and how much to clean and how much to leave it. Okay, so basically the fastest way to applicate, I use a roller. Right? Small roller for the small areas, bigger roller for big areas. You can even drip the oil and then burnish it, but I just want to put a little bit roller, so this way you can basically do a door, floors. Then I'm going to use red pad from 3M. I'm going to take this and I'm going to burnish it. Burnish it until all the oil absorbs into the wood. So it's really nothing else is absorbing, you see? But almost nothing is absorbing, but I want to make sure that when I do these circles, I still see like a little circles there. You see that? That means I am saturated. It's very important. So basically I burnish, and then I still see those little lines. Then I will go ahead and take a 3M white pad and I will take all those little lines out. I will go ahead and buff it up. Those lines are out. You see? Now this is ready to dry. And I will hit the light. And this is dry.